Yo YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So guys, this video today is going to be showing you how to get all the characters in Jujutsu Shenanigans. This is using a working code in 2026 and you can unlock all the characters in a matter of minutes. Before I show you guys how to do this, please like this video and go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because so many of my viewers are not subscribed and you're definitely not going to want to miss any future uploads. So these Jujutsu Shenanigans codes are working right now, guys, and you simply grab your code, redeem it in-game, and it's going to unlock each and every character up to the date that you use your code, so it's going to get you all of them. So let's get into the tutorial and show you how to do this. As you can see, you've got to use your mobile phone internet browser. This is basically just to get your code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it on whatever platform, like desktop or wherever you play Jujutsu Shenanigans on. So just use your mobile internet. And you've got to go to www.coldcoupons.com. So very important you type it correctly. And basically type it like this, cold coupons. It's going to bring you to this web page here. I've used these previously for tons of other Roblox games. And then I started to play Jujutsu Shenanigans and I thought, why don't I check what codes are available? So, yeah, you're basically just going to use the search bar, guys, and type in there Jujutsu. Make sure you can spell it. You're looking for the Shenanigans one. There is only one code, but as I alluded to, this is an absolutely awesome code. And as you can see, it is pretty popular as well. So go ahead and scroll down and you can get a code for Jujutsu Shenanigans. Unlock all characters. So this is going to get all characters unlocked. And this is the fastest and easiest method, guys, working right now because it is just a code. So it is a simple code that you can claim and redeem in-game. So it's absolutely awesome. Now, basically, I did this earlier, and basically, you can see these are limited codes. There's only like 200 odd codes at the minute. So you need to basically unlock your Jujutsu Shenanigans code. This stops people from taking more than one of them. So, like I said, I did this earlier, so I'm not sure I'll be able to do it again. So I'll just talk you through the steps that you're going to need to take. So you're going to see this page here, and basically, guys, you need to complete 2 of the tasks you see on this page. These tasks are completely free and they're basically like installing mobile applications and playing games. Simple, easy things like that, guys. They take just a few minutes to complete. So it is important that you follow the unlock instructions below each of the tasks. That small text basically tells you exactly what you need to do. So it took me about 5 minutes. I completed 2 of them. And once I did that, it redirected me back to Cold Coupons and it fully revealed my Jujutsu Shenanigans code. And then I redeemed it, and to my surprise, it actually unlocked all characters. So that's why I thought I'd make this tutorial and show you guys this, because it is absolutely awesome. So that is how to get all the characters unlocked in Jujutsu Shenanigans. Go to Cold Coupons. If you need any help obtaining your code, let me know, guys. But it's pretty simple if you follow all of the steps and instructions. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.